Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to add an RSVP button to your Mailchimp emails, you're in the right place. Maybe you're planning an event, a webinar, or a get-together, and you want your subscribers to have a super easy way to let you know if they'll be attending. Well, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a custom RSVP button in Mailchimp and how to make sure it's not just functional but inviting as well. So let's jump right in, first things first. Let's head over to your Mailchimp account and open up the email design you want to work on. If you're starting a brand new campaign or editing an existing one, simply choose the template or design you want to update. This step is important because you want to make sure you're editing the exact email that will go out to your guests or recipients. Once your design opens up, you'll see the familiar Mailchimp drag-and-drop editor, which really makes it easy to add different types of content blocks to your email. Now, what we want to do here is add a special button for RSVPs. In the editor, look for the option to add a new block to your email. Click on the button Content Block. This is what we'll use for the RSVP. Just drag and drop it wherever you want in your email layout. You might want it after your event details for the most logical flow, or perhaps at both the top and bottom of your message so people can't miss it. Once you've placed your button, it's time to customize it so everyone knows exactly what it's for. In the button settings, you'll see a place to edit the text. Here's your chance to make it say something crystal clear like RSVP now or let us know you're coming. Small touches count. Think about the color of the button as well. Mailchimp lets you pick a color that pops and matches your brand or event vibe. The clearer and more inviting the button, the more likely people are to click it and respond. This next part is key. You'll set what happens when someone clicks that RSVP button. In the button settings, look for the link field. Here you can add the link to your RSVP form, whether it's a Google form, an Eventbrite event page, or even a simple email address that opens a pre-filled reply. Just paste the link where indicated. If you're using a form, make sure it's short, easy to understand, and mobile-friendly. Think about it like rolling out the welcome mat for your guests. Alright, once your button looks and acts the way you want, take a moment to preview your email or even send yourself a test. This helps you spot anything that might look off on different devices, and honestly, it's a good final check to make sure that RSVP link is working just like you planned. Don't worry if it takes you a couple of tweaks to get it right, that's totally normal, and that's it. You now have an RSVP button ready to go in your Mailchimp email, making it easier for your friends, fans, or clients to respond to your invitation with just one click. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, and if you have any questions or want to share your own Mailchimp tips, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you guys. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and good luck with your next event.